Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Asian stocks jumped while the dollar eased after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said a disinflationary process was underway, boosting risk appetite and hope that the US central bank will soon end its monetary tightening streak. Crypto mining firm PowerRay announced it had closed a $9.2 million Series A round, as well as a $18 million strategic investment. The Series A valued the company at $150 million and was led by crypto asset management platform Haru Invest. China's yuan jumped to a more than 2-week high against a falling dollar as the Federal Reserve said it had turned a corner in the fight against inflation, with investors expecting the US tightening cycle may end soon.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French industrial output will be released at 0745 GMT, the US non-farm payrolls at 1330 GMT, the US ISM Services PMI at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The Eurozone's Producer Price Index at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.